Boys, we haven't done a Wish video in a minute. Maybe because their product most of the time sucks and I get mad at it, or maybe because it takes 3 months to ship and I forget what I even ordered. So I guess I decided to spend $500 on the website I clearly hate. I don't remember this at all. Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. As always, boys, thank you so much for all the support. If you guys just really want to help the channel, thumbs up, comment down below. Of course, we have the giveaway. Nobody's forgotten this sweet diamond watch. 1,000 thumbs up within the day, boys. You guys can easily do it. Somebody's winning this. Just comment thumbs up. That's all you got to do. And then message me on Instagram, and I pick from there the winner, you know? And now forgive me for this, because I spent so much money on this video. We got a quick word from our sponsors, me at namebrandfam.com. We're sick. If you guys are looking for real cheap jewelry, as you see on the page right now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, quality is not the greatest ever, but it's free. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. You like that one right there? Buy it. You can actually add 2 free pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping, boys, with the link down below, namebrandfam.com. 3 months ago, boys, I spent $500 on Wish. I guess I bought some jewelry and I don't remember. I had to go into my orders on Wish to actually see this was in fact the package, and then re-see again how much I spent. Not gonna lie, boys, like I do all my shopping baked. It's just a little more fun that way. Don't promote it, but it's more fun. But I don't promote it. Luckily, I also keep notes with all my video ideas, so apparently, I don't remember this at all. And I got this, and right when I saw I spent this much, I just like, it's not like I can't afford it. I'm just like, what the hell are you doing, buddy? It's just a bad spending of money. But I guess that was the point of this video, because in my notes, I saw, Brand, buy some expensive jewelry on Wish and see what it looks like. So that's what we did. I do know what we got, because I looked on the website, and hopefully it's dope. I actually picked a really good style of piece. This is a real piece to a certain extent. We're gonna check it out right now. Boys, this is what a $500 item of jewelry looks like from Wish. I hate even saying it out loud. Hashtag brands for the boys down below on this one. Hopefully this is sick. We got the package right here. Without further ado, it's gonna be short. We're gonna have to diamond test it. This is diamond, by the way. Here's what... Oh god. Oh god. This is why I changed my password so my girlfriend can't see what I spend money on anymore. Here she is. I expected at least a box like this. Also, if you guys didn't know you could actually spend that much money on Wish, check these 2 things out. That one right there and that one right there. That one's almost sold out. People have been buying wedding rings off Wish apparently for that amount of money. I thought I sucked. Well, I do, I guess. Part of the clan of stupid. All right, let's get into it, boys. I want to get through this. I just know I can't get my money back with this video. You know what I mean? That's the main thing. Oh, I can freaking return it. And without further ado, that's what we... Damn! Let's go! Okay, so this is now my thoughts. Now that we see it, this is what cost me $500 on Wish. My thoughts with this, it didn't say anything about it being real diamonds, but if it passes a diamond tester and it's real silver, which they said it is, you kind of get your money's worth. You know what I mean? At least for people that want to fake flex. I don't, but like if you want to and that just helps you out in life, freaking do it. I don't care. Right off the bat, man, I mean, it's not a bad actual chain. It's actually really sick. I thought... No! Oh, that wasn't even Tourette's this time. I thought I got a chain, boys. Damn it! I don't want this bracelet. It's too big. This thing would fit the rock. Okay, anyway, back to it. See, I'm already mad, and we don't even know if it sucks that much yet. Anyway, there she is. That's why it's gonna be very short. I don't know why I didn't buy something that's like gonna make a video at least 30 minutes, you know what I mean, to get some money back, but I didn't because I shot baked. I got a little loopy right now. I had to get into a good mood. And now I'm in a bad mood. Oh god. Alright, so boys, there she is. I mean, she doesn't look that bad, but for 500 bucks you can get, I was gonna say you can get something off Icebox, but Icebox, you can buy a ticket to go yourself for 500 bucks, you know? Shout out Icebox, by the way. They've showed me love before. Sorry, guys. Anyway, there she is. It's all you guys really need to see. Now let's see if I bought myself a ticket to go myself. I'm never shopping Wish again if this does not pass a diamond tester. Oh, also, we forgot to check if we do have the 925 on it, so you guys let me know. That's why I say it is kind of real. You know what I mean? It's like, if it's silver and like any jewelry is real, you know what I mean? In my opinion, but like if it's like silver or gold, it's like the real stuff that people brag about for whatever reason. I mean, this in terms of real silver will not be that much money. Silver doesn't cost that much, so you're not getting much money back out of this unless you really want to wear it, but I guarantee you could probably get this in any other place a lot cheaper. Without further ado, let's diamond test this thing and get the f*** out of here. Moment of freaking truth, boys. We got the diamond tester engaged. Oh god, please let it work. And the diamonds are too small. Weirdly enough, I've had a lot of coffee today and I'm not too shaky, so give me a love for that down below. The diamonds are too small. The diamonds are too small and I'm gonna flip out. We don't want to flip out yet, Brad. Oh, this one's bigger. Ah, that's a good... Damn it! Oh god. You can fix it. I was gonna return this. Do y'all know how to fix a clasp like this? I'm gonna let you go. Shoot. Appreciate y'all for watching Rick of the Game Greatest of All Time. Damn it, I actually didn't even think. That what a waste of money. I just broke it. I can't even wear it now. I can't even give it away now.